Alright, Pyros, wanted to give you a stash update while I had a chance. Real happy to get a few of these cakes, just a small little pickup. I got a few Pro 1.4 cakes. Was really happy to get this Riccio cake. It's my favorite one too, especially with this blue Shoot to Thrill compound, 4 pieces. And these are real nice too. I like their connectors. Then below this, I've got Beast Mode 2, Pyromax, another Riccio down here, Tomahawk, and then this Monstrosity by Raccoon. And I've been really impressed with a lot of Raccoon's Pro lately, especially a lot of their compound cakes. And this thing is massive too. Just a small little pickup. I got all these other cakes too I plan on demoing soon. Some of these shells, Goku, and then all the Young Fang stuff, One Piece, Snake Bite, Wake the Neighbors. Then you've got Banana Surprise over there, and Merc with the Mouth. I've even got another older cake right there. Got 2 of those. I plan on doing a demo of that. Look at that. Some real nice ball shells right there. More Euro stuff. Alright, Pyros. Just wanted to give you a stash update while I had a chance. Make sure you Pyros hit me up in the comments. For whoever needs some of these box cutters. Just wanted to give you Pyros a stash update. It's just a small little pickup. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.